Hi, my name is Nick, and I am a now former employee of Rolling Hills. I'm actually a civil engineering student at Penn State University, and that's why I had a short-lived stint here at Rolling Hills. I'm going back to school now in the fall, and I chose Rolling Hills because I thought it'd be a good experience to get some experience in my field of civil engineering, since it's kind of related in the construction industry, and it's just a lot of good experience to get related to the job, and especially with walls and patios and all that stuff. It's kind of useful into what I'm getting into. My experience at Rolling Hills was actually very good. I came in not knowing what I was doing, what to expect, and it ended up turning out really well. I learned a lot on the job, and I just got some really useful information from John and the rest of the gang, and I don't regret a second of it. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say. I mean, I had a great experience here, and I learned a lot, and that's it.